Hello everyone. As you all probably know, I don't normally do unboxings or book hauls or that sort of thing on the channel, but this is for me a very special occasion. And I also wanted to include you all on this occasion because I feel that this never would have happened without all of you, and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank all of you who've ever supported me on this channel in any way whatsoever. I want to thank all of you who have gotten copies of the Edan trilogy, and also those of you who've left reviews on Amazon or Goodreads or what have you. All of you, I just want to thank you all because this is a very special moment for me. This is kind of a culmination of 2 decades of devotion and passion and effort. I started writing the Edan trilogy in 2004, and I could not have conceived of being here today in this way, where I will be unboxing a special edition of the first book in the trilogy by The Broken Binding. This is a dream come true, and it would not have happened without all of you and your support. And so I thank you all. Also, I want to, while I unbox this thing, I'm going to give a few more specific notes of thanks. There is, of course, all the people at The Broken Binding, including Matt, who I can't thank enough, really, for even taking a chance on the Edan trilogy this way. This obviously would not have happened without Matt's vision as the founder of The Broken Binding, and someone who is obviously passionate about great stories, about books, about beautiful books, and making beautiful books accessible in a way. I know that, affordability is relative. This is a book that is not going to be affordable for everybody. But in comparison to many other places where they do produce beautiful special editions of books, The Broken Binding makes an effort to make them affordable and somehow also just gorgeous at the same time. So Matt, thank you so much. And everybody there at The Broken Binding. Everybody I worked with, everybody I spoke with there is just so pleasant and so kind. Emmy, thank you so much for being so pleasant and helpful. And Sean, just wonderful people who work there. And that says a lot about a place, I think, when the people you work with are actually kind and pleasant. This is a beautiful box, by the way. I've always wanted to open one of these boxes. I don't have a lot of special editions and that sort of thing. But I did order the Malazan Book of the Fallen special editions, the first 3 that are ready. So this is good practice for me, I suppose, opening these beautiful boxes. But yes, I was saying, Kate Cromwell at The Broken Binding. Kate, I'm going to have to bring up her name again because she did some really cool stuff with the book, but she was just so pleasant, and she did the interior and the design on the beautiful raven on the cover itself, and of course Patrick Leo. I mean, Patrick is the man, and it was such a pleasure to work with Patrick throughout the process of deciding which scenes would become art in this special edition. Patrick is just such a wonderful human being, and he does so much for our community. So it was a real privilege to work with you, Patrick, and I could not be more grateful. And the artists, Renee Egner. It was my dream to have Renee Egner's art in this book. And not only is it in this book, it's on the dust jacket, and it's just, he's an artist who knows how to capture a writer's vision in a way that I find just so beautiful. And so, I feel so fortunate to have had his art in here, and Peng Lu, who did the black and white interior illustrations, just beautiful. And of course, Renee also did the color. Look at this. Look at the presentation on this. These guys are amazing. Look at this. So that's Way of Edan, it says right there. I think I got to keep that sticker even here. Wow. Okay. So yes, I'm so thankful to everybody there at The Broken Binding, and just the tremendous job they all do in bringing these beautiful books into the world. It's just, we are lucky to have a place like that around at all. We are very fortunate to have The Broken Binding, and I am very fortunate to have had this privilege to work with them. So should I rip the paper? I feel a little like I shouldn't, because it's so pretty, but I'm also very impatient to get to this book. So I'm ripping it a little bit here. Oh, wow. This is just, as I said, this is the culmination of decades of effort and hope and struggle, and I've loved the process of producing these books. And one of the most magical things about it for me has been becoming part of this community, becoming part of this beautiful community that I feel so privileged to know every one of you. And here it is, the way of Edan. I have no idea if my little iPhone is focusing on that or not, but hopefully you can see that. It comes in this wonderful plastic wrap. Yeah, and here is the back. I will make a video later on that will show this a little more prominently, but I just wanted to share this moment with you when I was opening this thing and holding it in my hands for the first time and being a little emotional, to be honest with you. Yeah, this is, wow, okay. Oh my goodness. And yes, let me, oh man, that is just something. Another person I want to thank, someone who I've really enjoyed working with, and it's been a privilege and an honor to work with, is my map maker, Jack Shepard. Look at that. Look at that beautiful color map of Jormungand that Jack made, of course, the black and white version of this for the original paperbacks. But this is so gorgeous, Jack. You really hit it out of the park here. That is just tremendous. And Jack did the cover design on the original covers as well. But look at this. Look at this. That is Kate Cromwell's work there. That beautiful raven on the front. And of course, if you are a reader of the trilogy, you know the significance of this. And then on the back, we have a little quote from the book. The old tales take us to faraway times and places, but they're also where we come from. They tell us how we got here. And I certainly do believe that. So yeah, here we have, oh, look at that map. Oh, some endorsements from some lovely people in here. Mark Lawrence, John Gwynn, Janny Wirtz, Ian Esselmont, and Ed and Will from the brothers Gwynn. Oh, these pages feel so nice. And look at that, signed. I guess I could have signed my own copy. Oh, look, I have copy number 1. Wow, that is so cool. Okay. And yeah, look at this. Man. Also, all the cool little art here on the chapter heading art. That is also Kate Cromwell's doing. Just fantastic. Let's see if I can get to some of the interior art here and show you that. Oh my goodness. This is Renee Agner. Oh my goodness. That is so... takes my breath away to see that. And here we have the black and white, one of the black and white illustrations by Peng Lu. Also an amazing artist. Just so privileged to hold this book even. Oh, look, it's Sequara. Oh my goodness. There. Look at that. And yeah, there's a bunch more in here. A total of 8 interior illustrations, 4 color and 4 black and white. Look at that. There is Bledla. Oh man. And you should hear Alan's Bledla when he does the narration for the audiobook. It is absolutely stunning. It is brilliant. It is so well done. So I suppose someone who really wanted to could do an immersion reading, right? With the special edition and Alan's audiobook. Look at that. There's Kiriath. How about that? Looks like a place you might want to visit, right? And what else do we have in here? The Aglak. Holding Orvandil, who's looking like a doll in the hands of the Aglak. Wow. And another color illustration here. Oh, no, one of the black and white ones. Yes. Another black and white. Oh, my goodness. These are all so stunning. It is amazing to see these in person. And finally, we do have this beauty here. Oh, seeing these for the first time is incredible. I have some emotions here. This is amazing. And this, again, wouldn't be here without you guys and the people that I mentioned here in the acknowledgements. This is a dream come true for me, and a moment of great fulfillment. And so, yeah, I just wanted you to see the special edition of The Way of Edan, and there are still a few copies available if anybody wants to jump in. I'll have a link in the description, direct link to the Broken Binding. If anyone is interested in a copy of The Way of Edan, the special edition by the Broken Binding. But that is it from me for now. Until next time, and thank you once again.